This is a tutorial to show you how to register for the 2018 Executive Conference for CSIA in San Francisco. A few have struggled with finding their company name, so I'm going to show you how to specifically find your company name, as it does not show up in alphabetical order, so you'll have to search for that. So let's begin. All right, so I've typed in my name here, and I cannot type into this field here. I actually have to click select answer here first. By the way, if you are registering on behalf of another person, perhaps you're an admin or you're registering for other people in your company, then make sure you check this button. But if you're registering for yourself, then proceed like this, select answer. Another pop-up will come up here. If this doesn't come up, then make sure that you do have your pop-up blocker disabled. So this does look like alphabetical order, but if I look down here and I scroll down quite a bit, you'll see that it does begin again with A down here. So this is not alphabetical order. It's just a nuance of this system that we use. So a better way to solve this problem is to search for your company, or at least a portion of your company, just a word or two here. So click here and I will click search. So I'm going to look for control system, okay? And click search. So here you see I have a list of companies that have control system in the title of the company, and now you can select this particular company. So I'm not going to complete this registration, but I'm just going to go forward here a little bit. So I'm going to say that I'm with this company, click select, and now I will click next. Okay, now I can type in my complete company name. So I'm going to say I'm with the Control System Integrators Association. I'll type in my address. Okay, so now I've completed this screen, and I'll click Save and Next. And now I will choose from the items and the sessions that I plan on attending. So I can select the normal registration, and I can also add on the Best Practices Training Workshop, which happens to be the 2 days prior to the conference. I'm just going to attend the conference here. Click Next. And now I can select all of the sessions that I want to attend. So I'm going to click the opening toast, the expo. I don't feel like running, so I'm not going to go on the fun run. I am going to go to the awards dinner. I'm going to go check out Alcatraz. That sounds pretty cool. And I'm not going to go to any of these things here. I'm going to click next. Now you'll give permission for us to capture images of you. I'll click acknowledge and click next. Now here's where you can add a guest, and so you'll fill out another form for that person there. I'm not going to do that now. I'm going to click next. And here is the summary, and I am done adding all of my people here. And now here's the summary here. There's no discount code, so you can disregard this. All of the discounts are built into the calendar of this site. So the early bird rate is available until January 15th, and then it goes up after that. So keep an eye on that timeline. Going to go down here, and it's going to give me a payment method. I can pay immediately with a credit card, or I can click invoice me, and I'll click finish. I hope that helps you. If you still have questions or having any problems whatsoever, please call the CSIA staff at 800-661-4914. Thank you.